Okay, so I'm over here at the office, and I want to show you a simple exercise that you can do that helps with posture, really helps with shoulder mobility, and it's just really great for your pecs and your lats. Even a lot of bodybuilders do this because it actually helps your physique look better. You do not need a big fancy gym in order to do this workout. Notice I'm just doing it with a dumbbell, and I'm gonna use this chair right here. If you do have a big fancy gym, you could easily perform this workout. It's called cross bench pullover. All I'm gonna do is just get my shoulder blades right here on the chair. And ideally you want your hips to be free so they can drop down. And I'm gonna put the bottom of my neck right here on the edge. I'm just gonna let this dumbbell drop all the way back. And I'm feeling a strong stretch through the underside of my shoulders. And I even just felt a couple pops in my upper back. You just want to do 5 reps and repeat that 5 times. This is great for people who have a posture where they're kind of like this, because it's really going to open up through that mid back and allow you to have a more normal posture. If you have any questions, be sure to comment below or ask your doctor when you're in.